I'll never understand weather. Like, it was December 1st, and it was warm enough that I could wear a t-shirt outside and be comfortable. I thought December meant snow. I guess I was wrong. I've never received an explanation as to why there are hearts on some of these street signs. And it's interesting because, damn, wind, please. And it's interesting because I know that the Worcester city flag is like green with a red heart in the middle. So I don't know what that's about. Also, I got some new shoelaces for my shoes. I think they look pretty cool. So I was debating whether or not to get a new point and shoot for Christmas. Because the one that I have now is great. You know, it's the Nikon, AW130. Coolpix series. It's waterproof and all that jazz, and it has the built-in time-lapse feature that is really helpful when I want to shoot time-lapse. It's going to be like, oh, 10 minutes, boom, and it'll shoot a time-lapse, and it'll automatically like compile it and everything. With that kind of setting, it's very automatic. You can't really do a lot of manual stuff. So I was looking into other cameras that do point and shoot stuff and that have time-lapse features in them. And I didn't find any. What I did figure out though is that for most Canon point and shoot cameras that are like one generation old, there's this thing called the CHDK, or like the Canon Hack Developer Kit. A bunch of guys hacked the firmware to most of the Canon point and shoot cameras. Some people figured out that you could shoot RAW. Some people figured out that you could script automated actions. And you know what scripting automated actions does? You can write a script in Lua, a programming language, that takes a time lapse. Even the Illuminati's in the holiday spirit. You may be wondering why I'm putting my GameCube controller parts in a cup with hot water and soap. I guess it's pretty obvious if you look at it that way. I'm cleaning it. So Smash Club today is in this building, which is Caven Hall. I've never been inside because that's where all the civil and environmental engineering people have their classes, and I am not one of those people. I have most of my classes in AK. So it'll be cool to see like what it's like. I don't even know why I bother combing my hair on a windy day like today. I combed it literally right before I left. The healthiest lunch. How does unhealthiness taste, Colin?
It tastes freaking amazing.
I heard a noise, and it was this thing. I don't know how I feel about the squirrel NSA spying on us, but you know, what can you do? Our last doubles match was all Game & Watch. It was the best tournament match I've played in my life.
Oh my god, that was beautiful. I don't care that we lost. It was the most beautiful match I've ever done.
It's on. Good shit.
You yourself winning a board, because you have to, and you sending your opponent somewhere where they can't, like, you know, win a board or something. Now, if let's say that like I won this, so it's like a big O. If Andrew plays like an X here, or if I play an O here, like if anyone tries to send somebody into this board, which has already been won, they can go wherever they want. So if you win a board, or if a board is already won, you really do not want to send someone there because they can go wherever they want. And that leads to a more interesting strategy. If you say, hey, that like, oh, if this board has like, you know, a couple things on it, but like the only place you can go are like things that have already been owned, like you can force them to let you go wherever you want. This game is so much strategy. I love it.
It's lettuce.
There's lettuce on the floor.
That's weird.
Why is there lettuce on the floor?
That is very strange. What the hell?
Anyway, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.